Hey everybody, it's Josh Marler, AA4WX from HamShackTV. A lot of you have been emailing me asking me, Josh, how do I get my ham radio license? How do I get involved in the amateur radio community? Well, I've got the answers for you. Stick around. So today, I'm excited to announce that I've partnered with Ham Radio Prep. Ham Radio Prep is an online resource that you can go and learn all the skills and knowledge that you need to become a ham radio operator. So whether you're new to the hobby or if you've been in it for a little while, they've got something that'll help you for any license class that you're going for. Let's check it out. All right, here we are. We're in the shack, and you can see I've already got Ham Radio Prep pulled up. All you need to do is open up your favorite web browser and go to hamradioprep.com. When you do, you're going to find this page. It's just basically an intro page. It's 4.8 out of 5 stars, which is an excellent rating with over 800 reviews. They offer ham radio online license classes. The Ham Radio Prep program makes it fun, easy, and fast to get your license in just a few hours of study time. Pass your exam on the first try or your money back guaranteed. They even give you an option here to try a free lesson. But we will skip that and hit the sign up now button. I do want to say, maybe not necessarily a few hours of study time. You want to be highly prepared, so don't rush to take your exam. I will go over some tips on taking the exam a little later on. So you have 3 offers when you click on the sign up now button. You have the technician license course, which is $35. That gives you the level 1 technician license course only. Questions are always up to date. Step-by-step lessons, learning games, videos. You can study on any device, and you also have unlimited practice exams. This is a one-time fee, and you get lifetime access. But maybe you want to go for both technician and general at the same time. There's nothing wrong with that. Why not? Go ahead and do it. So you have the technician plus general license course, only $55. $55. So you're already saving some money on taking both courses at the same time. It includes both full courses, the technician and the general, learning games, videos. You can study on any device, and you get unlimited practice exams. You save 20% just by going ahead and doing that. But why not do it all while you're at it? Nothing wrong with that. You can go for the All Access Pass, which gives you access to all 3 license courses. That's the technician, the general, and the amateur extra. You also get a free bonus along with all 3 license courses. That bonus is Learn How to Use Your Radio with Baofeng Basics course. And honestly, that's not a terrible thing. I, even as an extra class, struggle with programming my Baofeng. So this is an excellent option to have, a little added bonus there. You also get VIP student support. You save 60% by going ahead and buying all 3 courses. Usually that would be $199. You're going to get it today for the absolute low price of $79. So when you do that, let's just say you go ahead and do the all 3. We'll click the Enroll Now button. And I'm actually already logged in. So you're not able to see the sign-up process. However, what I will tell you is if you use coupon code HamShackTV at checkout, you will get an additional 10% off. So why not? Let's go ahead and get your license and get you on the air. So you can see I have the All Access Pass here, and there are multiple ways to go. Obviously, if you're not licensed, the way to start is the technician license course. So we'll go ahead and click on that and open it up. As it loads here, it looks like your standard computer-based learning module. You have intro videos.
You're in the right place.
And right,
this course will teach
obviously you see how things work here. I'll let you kind of see what
the US
the preview
FCC
video
technician
looks like.
license course, even if you're a complete beginner. Start each lesson by watching the video. After the video, read the text lesson to reinforce the concepts. In the video and the text lesson, pay close attention to the blue words. These are the correct answers on the actual FCC exam. After the video and text lesson, take the quiz to test your knowledge. Once you can pass the lesson quiz with higher than 80% or even 90%, you're ready to move on to the next lesson. There are also some learning games throughout the course that will help you get some extra practice. Use the practice test to test for your exam readiness. The practice test is designed exactly like the real FCC exam. It contains 35 multiple choice questions. The minimum score on the FCC exam is 74% in order to pass and receive your license. To be safe, make sure you can score 80% or higher on the practice test easily. Then, it's time to schedule your exam.
We'll go ahead and cut that off there. He's got good advice there. I've been a volunteer examiner for both ARRL and W5YI, and I can tell you this. That is the best practice. If you can take your practice exam and achieve 80% most of the time or greater, you are ready to take your exam. And I would even go so far to say, take 5 practice exams in a row, and if all 5 of those practice exams you achieve an 80 or above, you are ready to take your test. I'll tell you a quick funny story. When I got my technician license many years ago, it was back in 2010, I had a friend of mine drive me up to the exam, and that exam was in Sevier County. N4JTQ gave me my exam. But this friend was Paul, W4PGM. He gave me some words of encouragement as we were driving, and those words of encouragement have stayed with me and I've used in other practices. Not just in ham radio. But if you make a 74 or above, you're just showing off. So don't fret. Make sure you're highly prepared. You're getting normal scores of 80 or above, and you'll be fine. And Ham Radio Prep's going to help you get there. You see, obviously they have different tips for you. If you see words in blue on the license or in the text out there, you will want to remember these things, because these things will give you direction towards an answer that is on the test. You can also test online. See, here's phonetic alphabet. You can test online, and they will give you direction on how to do so. This is all really good information. There are games in this. I'm not seeing any at the moment. But there are games, and you also do get a quiz at every single lesson. In the technician list, there is actually 22 lessons, so you'll want to go through every lesson. This is just a fantastic methodology to take your exam. You can also supplement your practice test with other things like ham study. But don't simply just rely on one thing. Use multiple things just to guarantee yourself a little extra knowledge. But again, Ham Radio Prep's making it quick and easy to get your license. Make sure you go through every lesson in the course, and you'll be just fine. You'll be just fine. Once you get done with the technician, move on to general. Same thing. Here's the general class lesson. And there are 23 in that one as well, 23 lessons. And then once you get your general, you can move on into HF, which is where the real fun begins. You can talk all over the world without any internet interference or anything like that. You're just talking straight RF. It's a lot of fun. And then finally, you have the Level 3 Amateur Extra License course. This pretty much unlocks everything for you. This is a little bit more of a difficult exam, though. It is 50 questions, whereas the tech and the general are both 35 each. This one is 50 questions, so there's a lot to learn. It is quite difficult, if I'm being completely honest. But there are 30 lessons in the extra class question, or the let me talk. 30 lessons in the amateur extra class. So you'll want to make sure you go through all of these and then take plenty of practice tests. And then, of course, as we showed, the Baofeng Basics course. I don't know why that's popping up. Oh, there's a disclaimer. Okay, no problem. But you see, just interesting information about how to program your Baofeng and how to use it and things like that. So again, hamradioprep.com. Use the promo code HamShackTV for an extra 10% off when you are on the checkout screen. I'll also include a link in the description down below, and that will give you guidance on how to get there. And I wish you the best of luck. Really, we need this hobby to grow. So if you really have any inkling of getting your ham radio license, let's start with Ham Radio Prep. HamRadioPrep.com. Tell them I sent you. Use the promo code HamShackTV for an extra 10% off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and 7-3. This is AA4WX, WSCB 693.